Welcome back to Boneforge Studios. This is part 2 of the last video of me putting my 3D printing studio together. This is the tent I have put up in the last video, and today I'm going to be showing you my whole setup of the printer, the wash station, and the cure station, and kind of my process. I'm going to go through my process. So stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you guys through how I have everything set up. I'm going to show you how everything is set up, and I'm going to show you kind of the process I've come to learn, and I'm sure things will change later on as I print more. I've only printed one time so far, or actually a few times. I had a couple learning curves, but I finally got her figured out, and yeah, I'll give you guys a tour. So, let me flip the camera around. All right, so here we have the tent. I ended up getting my ventilation system in. Got it all in there. I believe I showed it in the last video, but this is what it looks like inside here. So over here, this is the GK3 Pro printer. I ended up covering it with this plastic. I've been doing a lot of research online, and people were saying, you know, it's best to do that, you know, kind of keep your stuff clean. And down here I have a mat on underneath it in case I have any spills. It's easy to clean up. Use your IPA or whatever cleaner you're using, you know, clean it up. Those work really well. I had one little tiny couple spots, but nothing major. Over here, this is my wash station. This is where I take everything off. I bring the plate over to this plate, and I will scrape it off. And then I usually like to take all my bracing off right here. And then I do a couple washes. I'm actually using mean green now. I'm giving it a shot, trying it out. I do use IPA, but I use it at the end. So I use mean green, and then I use the second mean green. That way it kind of stages it. And then I'll go into my wash station, which is the Uniformation wash station. It works awesome, man. And then once that's done, I'll come out. Normally, I'll let it sit in this tray for a while, for a night, at least a whole night, at least a day at least. And that way, when I put it in to the cure station right here, which is the Uniformation Cure 3, that way it's completely dry. You want to make sure your pieces are completely dry. So actually, when it does come out of this, my apologies, when it does come out of the wash station, I do put it in, I have another container like this one that has IPA in it, and then I'll wash it, 3 minutes in that to help it flush all the mean green and all that stuff out, and it helps kind of dry it out quicker. The IPA seems like it makes it dry it out way quicker. And then I let it set a night, and then I put it in the cure station. And then after that, you're usually good to bring it on out. So then I bring it out here to my workstation over here, which is kind of messy. You have to excuse my mess. Yeah, you got to excuse my mess. But I bring it over to my workstation, and that's where I do all the, extra clippings of, it smells strong. All the extra clippings of the bracings and stuff like that, and do all my sanding and such over on my bench. So yeah, that's pretty much my workstation. It's really cool because, I could shut the doors while it prints and have I run my vent up through there, and it comes up the top and then shoots out the side. I kind of open my garage door a little bit and let the fumes go outside. but I keep this shut. That way no light can get in there. And yeah, it works out really well. Keeps the smell down. You walk out here, you smell it, but not like if you were to walk inside the tent, you know. But yeah, it works really well. So yeah, this is my station so far. The next video I will be doing, let me turn this around. The next video I will be doing the actual print that I printed. I'm going to kind of show footage of that. So my printer actually has a camera in it. I haven't got the app set up yet. I think they've been having issues. So I don't have that set up yet. But I did, you know, record some of it and some of the processes of the whole thing. And then, yeah, on the next one, we're going to start painting on that figure. All right, there you have it, folks. That is my 3D printing setup. I'm all set up, ready to start printing some stuff and getting some stuff painted and doing more painting videos. And I'm super excited for that. You know, it's been a little while since I've actually got to sit here in my studio and actually got to paint. I've been on a learning journey of learning the whole process of 3D printing and stuff, and it's super exciting. I am super new to this, but I'm learning as I go. So if you have anything to add to that, like if you've been printing a while and there's something that you saw that I could improve on, let me know. You know, let me know in the comments. If you like what you saw today, please leave a like. And yeah, next video I am starting right after I am filming this today. I am starting to film on painting the figure. I almost said it. The figure I printed. We'll start painting him. And we'll see you next time on Bone Forge Studios.